Hello and welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to appeal to Facebook if your Facebook has been disabled. Firstly, open any browser, Facebook or Safari, as your account is already disabled. Then search for Facebook Disable Account Appeal and go to Facebook's official page. Then you need to scroll down till you see appeal for a suspension, where you will see a log into Facebook option. Click on it. If your account is disabled or suspended, you will not able to log in and you will need to fill a form, and this is the form that you need to fill. Once you see the form, you will need to fill up your information such as your name, email and any required identification, and you will also need to explain why you want to appeal for your disabled account. Also, make sure that you use the same details linked to your Facebook account. Then you will also need to upload a valid photo ID for verification. Then you can submit your appeal. After submitting the form, wait for Facebook to review your request and respond. And that's it. That's how you appeal for a disabled Facebook account. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tutorials.